The Hynniewtrep Youth Council HYC Sohiong Circle, led by General Secretary Hamarbamut Thabah, convened a meeting with the Sub-Divisional School Education Officer of East Khasi's district on the 7th of May 2024, following complaints from Teldaris Nongbri, a teacher at Laitnongkseh LP School, who accused the head teacher, Professor Shylla, of allegedly demanding money in exchange for job security. In a statement to the press post-meeting, the General Secretary of the HYC Sohiong Circle revealed that Teldaris Nongbri had been teaching at Laitnongkseh LP School since the 15th of February 2016 without receiving her salary till date.
Hello, kam kapa ni nang lang HYC Sohiong Circle nilayo yang jumujol nakakong Teldaris Nongbri. Hello ka jing sya wen kam pajongka te ni nang lang HYC Sohiong Circle Nilawan menta banyak kenduk USD SEO halor kakam malah syaweng no ya ka Teldaris Nongbri bat nilapan jing pencai dulu hakabai dei bat ka jing wengkam bat hang ni kapor menta ngidon ya ka jing dawa hakmat jungu laitali kata ka bankong bangi dawa badai bentung kampiang ya ikong Teldaris Nongbri kum inohikai jong ka Laitnongkseh LP School kabar kalong ka jing dawa ban penstom Yau Profesor Shylla ubadai Hukum Secretary Jong Katika School Laitnongkseh LP School Bat kapalai kalong ba Nipan jing pencai Halor ka jing sya wengkam Ya ikong Teldaris Nongbri Te Katkum ka jing tip jong kaseng Kaba Nakaliang ikong Teldaris Nongbri Ila pentip cengi kaseng Ba kadon kata ka jing bom yuk tulop Kajong i Nado Kasan tarik ajakan Rio benai baar ba ilalit benhikai ke school bala recommend ru daka MC jong ketika Laitnongkseh LP School te neru ketika senam hadu kat mentai kisngi hadu gini kisngi arjar opsau te nakalen jungi iklam yo ai yang jing siu pat tengkaru te hakane ka benta nakalen jungi kiseng isu dap daka mesim ka basukia khantam bi dei iru kontai bat hakaju ka poru Kaladon kajing dawa bisa na utei u hetisar jong ketik school hadu san phau jar tangka kata ka balong ba udawa ketik bisa kadaw kalong ba uang mga penbit penbiang ikikot kisla bangan yo ban perung yepi kum ino kai te jinglong kum iru kentai ila ai kata bisa Henry ai 10,000 te kata 10,000 ila ai hu bat kata ka kampat kala susah anta te nakaliang jungi ibu kajing dawa ba hakabai dei butuh bisa nakaliang ka office jong SD SEO udai bensim auction bat udai ru udai ga tulap jong udai u Profesor Shylla ba udai nadu senam ka bai mai hikai haru kan mata arjar opsau udai bensiu lut ya katu ka bai bela ka jong i te hakabai dei Habai dei berkajing keren jung u ba uang ba imbiang kita ikut kisla ba omla bandrong kam kai Henry neru utik senam kaba mai ilit benjoin 4 don kam ya kata KMT
Hamarbamut Thabah also disclosed that the HYC has demanded action against the head teacher who allegedly solicited rupees 50,000 from the teacher for job security. Furthermore, it was revealed that Teldaris Nongbri had given rupees 10,000 to the head teacher without knowing that the school's managing committee had already removed her from the list of teachers.
Adik por mentang isu bedong ba nakaliang office kadi ben sim khia ya kani bat nakaliang USD SEO ru ulai ka asuran yingi ba habai dei bang ni kam nakaliang u sa sim khia ban pasio skibor bahalon bat sa sim khia ru ban lek ban syukos ya utei haticha bat ban ya dik tagilanti bat kumdo ban la ban yarap hakabai dei bang ni kam jong Teldaris Nongbri te halor kata nakaliang ka office kari ban pensitom ya utei ubriu ubadon benta hakakam ban dawa bisa khantam ya kari guntai te lada nakaliang ka office kamla ban pensitom ya utei ubriu nakaliang jungi kaseng yang sesium di kiwei pat kisenjam persya yu